When looking at my excellence in professional practice, one of the first parts of that standard is to allocate time, resources, and access to ensure ongoing professional growth in technology. That goes back to a lot of what I said even in the previous week is being able to that flipped professional growth. The focus was not only being able to use a new technology tool, but collaborate was supposed to be one of the biggest parts of it. Is first watching a lesson on that technology tool, but then being able to work in collaborative groups on how they can integrate that into their classroom relevant to their grade level and working with their grade level team. And that was part of also that facilitating that participation and getting into those communities. And then what they were going to do is really look at the data and using a tool called Plickers where they can automatically test students, obtain instant results that would actually formulate a spreadsheet showing what questions students are getting right and which ones are getting wrong, showing them kind of maybe what questions in general the class is struggling with and maybe what areas specific students are struggling in, what specific areas they're struggling in. And then if they had those monthly, they would be having monthly meetings together looking at that data using a common data sheet to be able to see how they can use technology or how they can modify their lessons to better suit the students on a student-to-student basis. And then when looking at how to promote and model effective communication to collaborate amongst stakeholders using digital tools, we've actually demonstrated to the teachers how they can actually make a Google site, a Google Classroom, and then we also have our own site in which we've made flyers that had QR codes that parents could actually scan the QR code and it would automatically save to their phone's calendar events that were coming up. So for instance, we had a cultural fair, we had a flyer, and then the parents actually could just scan the QR code to automatically save the event to their phone. And then just constantly looking at the research, one of the things is just using flipped classroom in the class. And I have demonstrated to some of the teachers through technology trainings how they could use their camera projectors to be able to record lessons and upload them onto their computer or their website so that parents could access it and students can go back for refreshers. So, when often kids might say, oh, you never taught me how to multiply decimals. This was something that we had used is you can say, yes, I have, and actually, I'm helping these students right now with the current lesson when you're doing, let's say, small group instruction, and let's say the other kids in another group are doing multiplying decimals, and they swear they've never seen it before. You can actually say, it's actually on my website. You can go on there and review the lessons, and then the students can go ahead and review the lesson, rewatch it, and then they kind of have that assistance. So it's almost as if you're helping multiple students with multiple things at the same time.